There was a time in 70s in Tiruvannamalai, 70 and 80, late 70s and beginning of 80s, the whole 200, 300 kilometers, the whole district, all hospitals were shut down. Anybody, any problem, they will go to him. He will not give some big medicines. He will just take the mud from the Arunachala and put it in the mouth, sometime in the nose, sometime in the head, and tell them it will become all right. Go around the hill 2 times, 3 times. It will become all right. This has become too much. And the stories say that he made a human garland on Arunachala. Means the people who started going around the hill because of his instruction were made like a human garland on Arunachala. The local villages are saying for full 3 years, day in and day out, he put a human garland for Arunachala. Garland made of Arunachala, Naramalai, he calls it. Garland made out of Arunachala. Garland made out of human beings for Arunachala. Because whole day he will sit and heal people. They were shocked. What is this? Their whole hospital is empty. Not only this guy goes on healing, he will give all simple things. Some leaf he will give, some mud he will give. All kinds of what he gives and how it gets healed, nobody knows. Not only is healing, he is inspiring people to stand on Hinduism. Too much. Those fellows created a conspiracy and they arranged a patient to come to him and he gave some vibhuti and they killed that patient and created the rumor. Because of his vibhuti, the patient died and made a police case and stopped literally he giving vibhuti or any herbs, leaves, which is completely illegal. But of course, money can do anything. And then he stopped giving medicine. The funny thing, even then they are not able to completely stop him. He stopped giving medicine or mud and stopped talking. He will just sit. People will come and ask him about problems. He will have a slate. In that he will say 4, means 4 days go around the hill. It will become all right. He continued to heal in this way. Even after the huge scandal, he continued to heal this way. Then after some time, he saw the pressure, the abusal from this missionary hospital and their place was getting too much. The harassment, continuous harassment was getting too much. So he stopped and started relaxing. Of course, till the end, he was continuing to heal and teach people. But unfortunately, these guys are not able to transmit that great science as a science and technology. Before they were able to do, they have been persecuted. I am not going to let that happen.
है